Hello, good evening, friends. I am Rajinder Jatana on this side. I am coming up with continuity and differentiation. What is continuity? Let us start with the raw definition. A function is continuous when you can draw it without lifting pen or pencil. Look here, this curve has been drawn without lifting pen or pencil. So this is continuous. Question arises, why continuity we are studying? Now I will be explaining you why it is necessary and how it is worked out. The adjoining chain graph, look here. This is the chain graph, this is a chain there. The adjoining chain graph displays why continuity is so important. Now look here, this is a chain. Without limits, no continuity. When there is no continuity, no derivation. No derivatives can be found. No derivatives, no integrals. No sleeplessness nights. No panicked nights. And why there are panic nights? Because many students go for cramming of calculus. So, and when there is no panic nights, lot of happiness is there. And this is for all the students. Again, I'll repeat it. Without limits, no continuity. No continuity, no derivatives. No derivatives, no integrals. No integrals, no sleeplessness nights. No panicked nights for the cramming students. And lot of happiness is there. So these limits are very, very important otherwise. So this was the raw definition which I told you, that a function is continuous when you can draw it without lifting pen or pencil. Now let us go to the exact definition of continuity. What are continuous functions? This is the definition. If a function is continuous at x is equal to a, if it follows three conditions. Condition number 1, fa is defined, that is value of the function is defined. Condition number 2, limit x goes to a, fx exists. Condition number 3, limit of fx x goes to a is equal to fa, that is the value, limit is equal to value. The function is continuous. This is the graph of continuous function. This is the graph of continuous function. Now, what are discontinuous functions? Discontinuous functions are with a puncture. Look here, there is a puncture here in the curve. Hole is there. This is discontinuous function with a puncture. Or there can be jump. Look here, start from the left side. Curve is going like this, and there is a break. There is a jump. So the curve is discontinuous with the jump. Third is, there is a discontinuity, but it is at infinity. Look here, this curve is going to infinity, and other part is also going to infinity. At infinity, the hole is there, then this is discontinuous at infinity. So we never know where it is going to end. So that is why it is discontinuous at infinity. Now look here. Distinguish between continuity and discontinuity. देखिए ये दो फ्रेंड्स हैं, गर्लफ्रेंड एंड बॉयफ्रेंड. They are having a good, solid, dependable continuity. The curve is continuous. However, किसी बात पे नाराज हो गए, क्या बोल रहे हैं? ब्रेक हो जाए. अब दोनों में ब्रेक होने जा रहा है. They are separated. Look here, this curve is separated to this. There is no continuity here. There is a break here. B stands for break, H stands for hole. There is a hole here. And J stands for jump. ब्रेक हो जाए, याद रखना है. 3 types of discontinuities there: break, hole and jump. This was all I wanted to teach you today. You might have come, what is continuity? There are 3 conditions I told you. When function exists, limit exists, and function is equal to limit. And what is the difference between continuity and discontinuity? This I have elaborated here. So I hope you might have understood what are continuous functions and what are discontinuous functions. Thank you very much for viewing my videos. I hope you will enjoy it, and I'll come up with my notes further tomorrow at same time. Thank you. God bless you. Good night.